we'll go through them again. Value proposition, it is why. Okay, why should the customer buy from you? Okay, successful e-commerce will value propositions. People prefer personalization. The more you do personalization, for example, when it comes to, you get personalized dish or for the kitchen, or you get a personalized notification saying, hey, your next, flight will delay, so you have 1 hour extra. This way, you get this information in a timely manner. Reduction of product search, price, discovery costs. So people want to get cheaper stuff, right? Easier search.
Can I say something?
Yes.
I think the personalization, it comes with if there is dresses or luxuries or groceries, they use the personality. They mean they say we have only this dress, which is unique.
See, the idea of personalization is that we make a product that is for you only.
Like special.
Do you see? Something that is special.
Suits you.
Every time that is special for you, that's personalization. For example, if I sell kitchenware for everyone, that's generic. But if I want to personalize it or customize it, let's say if I want to personalize it, I will give you the option to write your name. So you get this dish and my name is there. That is personalized. It's for me only. Do you see? Or maybe customized. Let's say I want a dish, but I don't want it to be circle. I want it to be triangle. Do you see? So I want you to change, and I want you to make it this size, and I want you to make it as per my requirement. So that will be more customization. So it is custom for me. Do you see? If I write it in my name, this will be very personalized. This is completely for me as a person. Do you see? Same thing for this mobile application that provide information. For example, they can say to the whole world, all of the airlines that delay. But if I want it to be personalized, they give me only my flight's information. This way, the service is only for me. Do you see? I'm the only one who will make benefit or use of this information because it concerns me. Do you see? Or maybe I want to get customized information. I want you to send me information for all of those 1, 2, 3 routes only. This way, this information, it is customized. I use it. Maybe other people also will use it, but it is customized. Do you see? It's not like for everyone in the world. And facilitation of transactions by managing product delivery. And many people, they want the transactions to be managed from a product delivery. For example, on an e-commerce, you want to, let's say you go to Amazon, you buy books, and then, Amazon will tell you what books, will recommend books, will tell you what other people who read the books, what they said, will give you information about this book, maybe a short description, maybe allow you to see what's inside, maybe deliver it to you. Do you see? So there's a lot of facilitation for this transaction. It's not just, if I go to the bookstore down the street, I walk into the bookstore, and I have a lot of books I need to search. No one will come and say, hey, you probably, if you like this, you would like that. They will not tell me what other people who have bought this book already. Do you see? So this is very powerful information, and the product delivery becomes very easy to you. So maybe the same thing for the kitchenware. You can see what other people use this kitchen piece for. Do you see? Maybe you can give them recipes, or maybe you can give them, why this dish is special for cakes. Why you should use this for cakes, not those. That's very common. Do you see? They can tell you more about. So you make the transaction facilitated, okay, in terms of how it's delivered to the end user. Number 2 is the revenue model. We says how will you earn money, and the major types of revenue models are those 5. Number 1, it says advertising revenue model, which basically you make money from ads. Maybe for the kitchenware, maybe you don't want to advertise, okay, because you sell your product. But let's say maybe you want to advertise for complementary products. For example, people are shopping for kitchenware. Let's say that you're specialized on high expensive silverware for people who need special unique stuff, very high quality, let's say. Then maybe you want to advertise for other high unique, do you see? But it becomes sometimes difficult to manage who's advertising on your site, do you see? So sometimes it would be more expensive. And sometimes if you are already a high niche, very expensive silverware, you don't want to advertise for other people because they will be less than you are, right? Subscription revenue models, that's when you make people subscribe for a fee. So maybe you say, hey, we join our club and you pay this amount, you pay $99, per year, and you become a member. And with this membership, we give you this and that. Do you see? Maybe we give you a gift, maybe we give you special discounts, maybe we give you special prices, maybe. Do you see? So here, it's another revenue model. People put it on subscription. You see subscription on, let's say, libraries. You see magazines, movies. We talked about Netflix, subscription. You pay, and then you can watch anything you want. And then next, we've got this transaction fee model. The transaction fee where you make money on every transaction. You see? So which is basically, do you remember eBay? Anyone who buy and sell on eBay, they pay subscription, per transaction fee for eBay. So any transaction that happens, there is a small fee that they take. And then